So the whole idea here is for us to use this lens today. This is the 10-22 EF-S lens. Hopefully this doesn't cut out. I'm recording in 2.8K EOS M Magic Lantern RAW. Today we are at the Splash Bash over at Centro Islamico. Here I am in Studio Andalusia in their background here. What I'm going to do is, right now I'm recording this, actually this intro is going to be, it's on the Tokina 14-20mm f2. Still recording. And what I want to do actually is I want to use this lens right here, which is the Canon EF-S 14-22mm, and it'll be fun. I just realized I'm not recording how I'm recording on this. So anyway, so the whole idea here is for us to use this lens today. This is the 10-22 EF-S lens. Quick hack for anybody who is not aware. The way to mount this with a focal reducer is you gotta pop this thing off. And the way to do that is simply you gotta zoom out. So I'm doing this one-handed. Zoomed out, boom, right? You got that. And just simply pull, boom. And you will expose all of the electronics. Alex, when you're watching this later, don't worry about it. I'll put it right back. And this is to simply mount this here. So let's go ahead and pop this lens on. Boom. Okay, so this is the 10mm or 10-22 and fully zoomed out, recording in 2.8K. So yeah, you can see, let me see, is this, let me go to info. Yeah. Basically, this is, you're looking at about a 20mm field of view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this mounted up here, up on this gimbal. Yeah, I hope that turned out good. This gimbal of mine just ran out of juice, and it's really hot. Houston heat is it sucks. Straight up, that's all I gotta say. But anyway, I am concluding this video on this EF-S lens, the 10-22. Let me go ahead and just pop the other one back on. So yeah, so all you got to do is push out that lens element, or rather push it in by zooming all the way out, zooming in all the way actually to 22mm. Pop the rear cap back on, or that thing. Just pop it in, put the lens cap back on, and you're good to go. That's it, folks. That was basically this whole video shot on this one lens, except for this intro and outro. 10-22mm. It's a great little nifty piece of glass. This is really like a 16-35 unstabilized, and that's why I got myself a little gimbal. It's a really lightweight lens, so it balances really well. It's like balancing a 16-35. It would be equivalent to balancing a 16-35 if you didn't use a focal reducer. You have the focal reducer at 1080p mode. You get a total of from like 13 to 22. And then if you go into a 2.8, 2.5, you get an additional 2x crop. You can do the full range of 10 to 22. So this is a really versatile lens, really affordable lens. It just doesn't have image stabilization. Alex, thank you for letting me borrow this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you soon.